Well, my friends, by the demonstration of this case, I want to show you at the same time a good first prescription and second prescription. The lady, aged about 31 years, a learned lady, she is occupying with a job at Mumbai. She has been suffering chronic headache, migraine in variety for last 13 years, for which she had treated a long variety of doctors without any result. Surprisingly enough, now she has claimed that she has cured about 90%. Now, on the basis of symptom totality, I prescribed Natramur, 200 and 1000 only 2 times and only 2 potencies. Completely cured, more or less completely cured her. Now, what are the symptoms go in favor of Natramur? This pain, headache, aggravates before menstruation, aggravates sonnet, aggravates thinking about the disease, aggravates when she becomes anger, and irritability comes. Irritable temperament, she is sympathetic. All symptoms go in favor of Natramur. Thinking aggravates. Now, hot patient, bathing prefers. She wants to bathing for a long time. Profuse thirst. So, I prescribed Natramur 200, first week of September, 2 doses only, improved, followed by first week of October, Natramur 1000, 2 doses. Now she has come after 3 months, much improved. Now the present symptoms is leukorrhea aggravates before menses, hair falling, dandruff, etc. requires symptoms of sepia. And sepia also the complementary drug of Natramur. So it is the option, it is the place for second prescription, scope of second prescription. So second prescription also require on the basis of symptoms. And when the first prescription is acted, the first prescription Natramur is acted well, now the scope of second prescription, patient gives some new symptoms which belongs to sepia. Now I want to say the patient, I request Mrs. Rai to tell what I have uttered about the truthfulness and efficacy in your own words.
So I have been suffering from chronic headache, and this is for last 13 years. I went to several doctors, be it homeopath, allopath, even I went to psychiatrists, but they were somewhat, I got relief, but again it came back. So after that I came to Sir and he treated me with Natramur, and after having it only for 2 months, my headache is reduced, like 80 to 90% it has been reduced. And right now I am facing some other issues like white discharge and some irritability, hair fall, dandruff, and for those I came here and Sir told that it will also get cured. So I would prefer all of you to come and see us and have faith in homeopath because it actually treats.
Thank you, Mrs. Rai, for your kindness. She is her mother, and he is also an amateur homeopath, practicing homeopathy and a lover of homeopath. So thanks, Mr. Rai. Thanks all of you for your kind cooperation.